Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian E. Mendoza. Dito po ang ating daily devotion ngayong araw, February 1, 2025. Ngayong araw po ay ating itutuloy ang ating series, which is Seminary Edition. Specifically, ang topic po natin for today is about blessedness of God. Nalulungkot ba ang Diyos? Ngayon ang ating talata po ay magagaling sa Acts chapter 17 verse 25. Sabi po dito, "And he is not served by human hands, as if he needed anything, rather he himself gives everyone life and breath and everything else." Ngayon, upang ating mas maunawaan kung ano ang nakasaad sa talatang ito at upang mas maintindihan natin ang ating devotion, ngayon po tayo po ay dadako sa ating mga teachings for today. Una po, sabi po dito, God is satisfied in His existence. So, ibig sabihin po nito that God doesn't need anything to be complete. Kumbaga, He is already perfect and fulfilled within Himself. So, unlike us, tayo po mga tao who always seeks happiness in different things, ang ating Diyos po is already a whole. Kumbaga, the perfect, the most perfect above all. Ikalawa po, God is one and a community of the Trinity. So, this reminds us that God is not just one being, but exists as the Father, as the Son, and as the Holy Spirit. So, 3 in 1. It is a mystery, but it shows how God is relational, how God is loving, and how God is unified. Ikatlo po, God made us for His pleasure and to share His joy. So, tayo po ay nilikha not out of necessity, but because God wanted to share His love and joy with us. So, meaning po, yung existence po natin is merong purpose, merong meaning kung bakit na tayo kinreate. So, ngayon, paano po natin i-apply ang ating mga katuruan para sa araw na ito? Ngayon po tayo po itadako sa ating application. So, ito po yung mga bagay na dapat natin gawin after po natin malaman kung ano yung mga katuruan natin. So, una po, don't act entitled as if God owes you something. So, minsan po, we might think that God has to give us blessings just because gumawa tayo ng mga gagandang bagay or just because tayo po ay nagdadasal. But the truth is, everything He gives is not an obligation, but it is because of His love na pagmamahal niya sa atin. Ikalawa po, live a life of worship and joy. So since God created us to share His joy, His love, so dapat we should live with gratitude. Dapat matuto tayo magpasalamat. Let's always worship Him, not just in songs, but kumbaga isa puso talaga natin. Gawin natin yung actions and yung mindset natin is talagang dapat nakaayon sa will ng ating Panginoon. And last but not least, be grateful for God's love and grace. Araw-araw po we experience God's love even in the smallest things. So instead of focusing on those things na wala tayo, dapat mag-focus tayo sa mga blessings and grace na ibibigay niya sa atin. Marami po tayong tutunan sa araw na ito.